Hello guys and dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple, very quick Harley Quinn tutorial that's not going to take you much time at all. In fact, I used one face paint, one red eyeshadow, eyeliner, and a little bit of blood. Simple, simple, simple. If you want to see how to recreate this look, keep on watching.
Think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else. You could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own.
So now that I just have a rough outline of the mask, I'm going to take the Becca blush in Dahlia, and it is this, if you've never seen it, this gorgeous, gorgeous deep red. And basically what I'm going to do is go right on the eyelid with this. We are just going to pack it on. This is such a beautiful, beautiful color. Pat it out just a little. And then eyeliner. Using Wet n Wild, the cream eyeliner. And I am going to put a little bit of shine right on the eyelid. Next, liner and lashes. Okay, so now that my eyes are done and I've highlighted a little bit, I'm going to go on to the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to do black, and then I'm going to pat a little bit of red on the inner part of it, and that'll just make it look like it has depth, dimension, and that they're puckered a little bit more. Throw your hair up in pigtails and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching my Harley Quinn tutorial, and I will see y'all later.